In this video, I am going to show you how to change quick chat in honor of kings. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now to change quick chat messages in honor of kings, you have to navigate to the prep screen, then locate the hero sidebar on the right. At the bottom left, find the icon with a speech bubble and a map underneath it. Then click this icon to customize the pre-made quick chat messages. You can also quickly send these messages by tapping the speech bubble icon during gameplay. This is according to a Reddit thread. As you can see, now go ahead and try that, and hopefully this will fix your problem. And as always, thank you for watching.